fortunate enough to get my first break with Mahesh Bhatt, who according to me is one of the finest teacher of the art.
What is the difference between somebody who comes from outside the industry without a forefather, without a godfather, and somebody who comes in without knowing anyone and has to make a mark for herself?
The truth is that really doesn't matter. Once your film releases, it's hard to get that first break, but once your film releases, it's up to the audiences, and so many of them have been rejected, no matter where you come from. You come from mountains like me, or you come from California, it really doesn't matter. It's just people who decide, and nothing really matters. Each one has their own struggle to go through.
So you spoke of girls with superstar boyfriends. Do you think it's okay to have a superstar boyfriend, use him to get to the top?
With all due respect to them, बचपन से ही एक ऑडिशन की तैयारी की हो, फाइटिंग क्लासेस, डिक्शन क्लासेस, हेयर क्लासेस, स्किन क्लासेस,
दौड़, ये सब, हाँ.
Obviously it will make an impact. जब वो अपने फर्स्ट ऑडिशन के लिए जाएंगे, it will make an impact. They will stand out. उनकी जर्नी हो सकता है थोड़ी easy हो, लेकिन so you are privileged. Let me put it this way. And yes, it's not your fault. It is not your fault, but at the same time, it's a democracy. We cannot let the society be segregated.
It was not for Karan Johar. I mean, why should he change his ways? It's a democracy. We can't tell him to hire this one or that one, right? Same time, you can't ask him to, believe in the talent that he doesn't believe in. He believes in tenacity. He believes in the bloodline. He believes in whatever, and it works for him, isn't it? So we can't tell him that he has to change his way around. We've got to make sure that, so there are people who are coexisting. There is a Karan Johar and there is a Kangana Ranaut also. So we've got to have that balance in the society. Even my own parents, how cousins, they will say, "Ke yaar, wahan pe meri wo file pe sign karwa dena," things like that. So we've seen it. The world is the way it is, and it's not going to be fair. You've got to make sure that you know how to work around it. This Arnab Goswami, and all of that, they're sitting across this table and talking rubbish, which my lawyer has again released a video, sort of refuting everything that he has said. In that, this person who's been asking everyone to apologize, he has not asked him a single question. Why is that? So this sort of very conditional journalism.
The way in which Kangana has been vilified and targeted. Anurag Kashyap says, in sab ka ant yahi hoga. What do you mean? What kind of intimidatory language is that? Why are you threatening her? Why are you targeting her? What wrong has she done? What is her crime? That she dared to speak up when all of you were silent, Konika?
अरे नहीं,
बड़ी घटिया बातें लिख रहे हो.
ऐसा है?
हाँ?
सच लिखता हो यार.
कितनी ज़्यादा गंदी बातें लिख रहे हो. इतना गंदा सोचते कैसे हो?
Kangana, I don't think it's fair to say that.
No, but is it fair for you to write stuff like that?
Like what? Like what? Since you mentioned. No, Kangana, I really mean to ask. It's not fair for you to sit on that podium.
You are bashing my film, Manikarnika. Have I done a mistake by making a film on you are calling me a jingoistic woman who's
Kangana,
making a film on nationalism. Is
Kangana,
it my mistake to make
Kangana,
a film on
if I may, with your permission, I did not even tweet anything about Manikarnika. So
I will send you.
And I respect.
Yeah, of course.
And I don't know. This is not the right way, Kangana. You cannot intimidate a journalist because you are at the power position here.
Can we have the...
No.
एक रिपोर्टर जो कंगना जितना बड़ा मशहूर नहीं है, उनके बारे में अगर कोई अपशब्द कहेंगी तो लोग उन पे विश्वास करेंगे. आज कंगना ट्विटर.
He is probably the nicest person you'll ever meet,
Really?
Yeah, he is.
Everybody says that about him.
Yeah, I think he's by the book. He's Mr. Goody Two Shoe. He's very courteous, very polite, and the one thing I really like about him that he's not one of those men who would use, just for the sake of it. You use those slangs and those words just to come across very macho and very, very cool. He would never use impolite words around women, or I don't think he uses them at all.
Yeah.
And very courteous. very good looking to have around someone like, he can just, with his looks, he can make your day, so, a stressful day, it just gets worse with, but, yeah, if you have a good looking person around, it just makes the day more beautiful. And the best thing about him is that he is very shy as a person, like, he's
very introverted,
after
And Alia is, I mean, there are no words. She's so good. उन्होंने मेरे लिए एक ट्रायल पे बुलाया था मुझे, मेघना और आलिया ने दोनों ने, तो I couldn't attend it क्योंकि मैं शूट कर रही थी. But I promised them कि I will see it soon. She is the crown queen, undisputed queen, most definitely, and she definitely, it's Alia's world and we are just living in it. ये फिल्म जो है बहुत बेहतरीन फिल्म है, और जो फिल्म जिस बारे में बात करती है वो उस मुद्दे को लेके 100 करोड़ से ऊपर जाना, इससे एक फ़िल्मों के लिए एक नई डायरेक्शन मिल रही है हम लोगों को जैसे कि हम लोग जो फिल्में बनाते हैं, ये ऐसा सोचा जाता है कि जो फिल्में थोड़ी सुपरफिशियल होती हैं, फ्रिवलेस होती हैं, वही फिल्में अच्छा. एक्चुअली क्वीन ने भी 100 करोड़ इंडिया नहीं किया था. सो दिस इज़ अ न्यू वेरी इनकरेजिंग फॉर अस. मणिकर्णिका पिछले मई में शुरू